Hi everybody, and welcome back to another Active video. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing kind of like a deep clean of the truck because it needs it pretty bad. When we're done cleaning it up, I'm going to try out one of these odor eliminator bombs and see if it works. So I actually removed the screws from these center plastics ages ago. I just never put them back in, so that was easy to take apart. The dash, however, I have not removed the like upper screws here. I don't know, there's various screws throughout this thing, so I'll have to figure that out. Okay, so I know we've got a screw under here, so try and pop this plastic. Okay, cool. Okay, not screw, bolt, sorry. Yeah, okay, we got one bolt under there. We got a couple screws securing the glove box, so we can remove that. Actually, so that was just the lower piece, the lower shelf. I think we can leave this at the glove box attached, and it may just come out with the rest of it. We do need to detach the radio here that I installed. Okay. Ooh, cool. Radio's out. Okay, next we're gonna try to remove the steering wheel. Let's disconnect the battery so that doesn't keep happening. Okay, all four Phillips head screws are removed from the back. We can remove this plate. We can disconnect this cable here for the horn. Push in here on the clip. Pull it out. Jeez. Okay, yay. Okay, now we gotta remove this nut. So we've got ourselves a 19 mil. I'm gonna remove this. Okay, now we can remove the steering wheel. And just look at the dirt that was hiding behind there. Alright, so I just need to remove this relay that was here, so that I can fish my hand around up through here to get the speedo cable out from the gauge cluster. Cool, so that's out. I think I'll try to roll the cluster down. There you go. And remove the connectors that way. Now I can see them better. Okay, got the cluster out. Set that over there for now. Okay, with that out of the way, now we should soon be able to remove this. I think we're still missing a few more screws and bolts. I will report back when I find them. I think there might be something hiding behind here. Ah! Woo! Okay. Found it. We've got one more here. So that's, there was one here, one on the adjacent side, one in the middle, one here. There should likely be another on the other side. Gotta find it though. Looking good. Let's check the other side. I don't see another one. Oh, I see it. I see one. Hiding behind the dang cigarette tray. Alright, so you'll need a wrench for this one, definitely. It's in a very awkward, tight space. Alright, so apparently we've got one in here, one more bolt. I don't know how to remove this vent, figure that out. And then we have to remove all these little knobs here. Cool, okay. Okay, so before we try to pop out this vent and get this last bolt, we've got to pop out this plate, and there's 4 Phillips head screws underneath here. Correction, 3 Phillips head screws underneath here. Okay, cool. And we remove this as well, so nothing else should be electronically connected to the dash. Oh wait, nope, I lied. Cigarette lighter down here needs to be disconnected as well. I think this just kind of snaps in from the side like. Okay, this should be the last thing securing this. Damn, that's heavy. Alright, so check it out. It is disgusting back here. We need to wipe all this down. It is nasty. Years of dust built up. Also, for the cigarette lighter, I did have to disconnect this connector here. So that was just connected to this connector right here. And then remove its power source too, so that was on the side, or its ground. So yeah, it was just those two that had to be removed. And that was the last bit of electrical that was still connected to the truck. So yeah, so that was quite a bit to disconnect there, but finally free. Alright, cool. So let's get cleaning. For now, I'm just going to use a bit of soapy water and a toothbrush and go over everything. I've also got some simple green as well. I can hit it with. Really dusty, dirty, nasty. Let's look in the after section. Yep, that's looking a lot better. Check that out. That wire was brown. Now it's black. Nice. Keep going. We're making really good progress. Look at that. Back to its original color. Shining. Alright, I just finished like big dust removal. Now I'm gonna go over with some green cleaner just over everything. Alright, overall that's looking so much better. Now we gotta actually clean the actual plastic dash. I can already tell out of the truck this thing is a large source of the smell. Alright, I'm just about finished cleaning. I've gone over this thing pretty extensively. This used to be light blue, now it looks gray. Now the part I'm dreading is trying to clean out the ashtray. Alright, I just finished cleaning this bad boy, reassembling it. I took these off, ran water through it, shook it out, tried to get as much crap out of here as possible. It was a good thing I took these off because there was a ton of dust lurking beneath. Yeah, it's a lot cleaner than it was before. Pretty happy with it. It smells much better too, so yeah. So I took this center plastic off because I just knew there was going to be a bunch of stuff lurking underneath there. So I'm just going over it with the toothbrush, agitating the dirt a little bit, and then vacuuming it up. Okay, so I rotated the truck so that the cab can get direct sunlight, both sides. I've been letting it dry. It's not 100% dry yet, but it's looking pretty good. Smelling a lot better too, so we're almost ready for the odor eliminator bomb. Alright, it's feeling pretty dry in here. I'm doing one final sweep. I'm gonna roll up the windows and we're gonna get this odor eliminator going. So basically the way this works is we're going to turn the truck on, turn the fan on high, have the air circulating inside of the cabin, then we'll open this bomb, set the trigger on, and close the doors and let it run for 15 minutes. Okay y'all, the bomb is going. Hopefully the truck is going to smell a whole lot better after this. Alright. So my timer went off. That's the end of the bomb. Now we gotta prop the doors open. Guys, everything is almost back together. It is smelling so much nicer in here. So much fresher. Definitely worth the elbow grease because it's so much better in here. Also, I just installed a cup holder. Let's go. I think after all this hard work, I've earned myself a little joyride. So let's hop in and go for a spin. Hi, may I get a double cheeseburger and a mini Oreo Shamrock McFlurry? Thank you. After a long day's work on the truck, I think I earned this double cheese. Perfect spot for a little McFlurry. I really wish this car wasn't here so I could park next to this insanely big truck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks so much, and I will catch you in the next one.